Hey everybody, so this is my BakFlip F1 tonneau cover on my 2015 F-150. We just recently took a driving vacation where we had overnight stays at hotels. I wanted a way to secure the tonneau cover so that nobody could pry it open, while we were staying in the hotel overnight, because, we did have some other stuff in addition to our luggage that we left in the truck overnight. So the problem is, these latches, they latch in from the side into the rail. They're not really that strong. And this one, you actually have to press down really hard to get this to lock. And I wanted another way to be able just to lock this cover down so that nobody could pry it open. By the way, I did a review on this BakFlip F1 on a previous video. Did not recommend it, have had nothing but issues with it. So if you're curious to see, go take a look at that video. So anyways, on the inside here, I actually thought of getting like one of those sliding hinges where a pin would go underneath the rail here. The problem was I would have had to come up with some kind of a block to put the locking mechanism on, to be able to get the pin to go underneath here. So I did a little bit of searching. I found on the web some guy had done something really easy, and let me show you how it works. Okay, so this is my last panel. I'll flip it open so that you can see the details here. Basically, I got a vinyl coated braided steel cable from Home Depot. You just need maybe 2 feet of it. I got these locking clamps that you can tie down, and basically I just drilled a hole through this aluminum bracket here. This is where the locking mechanism is when you pull on it to unlock, and you can see like how flimsy these locks are that lock underneath the rail. And just drilled a hole through the metal, put the cable through, and made a loop. Okay, so the way this works is, let me get down here. If you end up closing this, and this is kind of hard to see here with the glare, sorry, probably should have maybe moved the truck around the other direction. So you've got this loop here now. Well, most pickups have a tie down here in the corner. They have another one here. So what the guy had done was, he just had one of his ratchet straps. You put it through the loop. And this is a little tricky to do with one hand, but you basically just loop it through, and then let me switch hands here. You just ratchet down the tie down strap. Let me straighten this out a little until it's tight, and then this is tight. And basically what you've got here is, let me ratchet down one more. This is now secured down. So even if somebody does try to pry it up, this panel will not lift up because it's tied down with this ratchet strap. Now, can somebody that really, really wants to get in, can still get in this and break the cable or break the strap or, one of the loops? Sure. But this is just a little bit more of a secure way to keep somebody from just popping open these cheap end latches here and getting into your cargo. So hope this helps. Very inexpensive, and thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.